In this video, I am going to discuss about how to design gray to BCD code converters. The combinational logic circuit which converts the gray code to equivalent BCD code is known as gray to BCD code converter. First, let's see about BCD code, or otherwise we can call 8421 code. BCD code is an abbreviation of binary coded decimal. That is a coding scheme relating decimal and binary numbers. And this BCD is a type of binary code is used to represent a given decimal number in an equivalent binary form. The BCD equivalent of a decimal number is returned by replacing each decimal digit in an integer and fractional parts with its 4-bit binary equivalent. In general, BCD codes are also called 8421 code. This is because 8, 4, 2 and 1 are the weight of the 4 bits of the BCD code. Next, BCD code. How we can represent the BCD code? In this code, decimal digits 0 to 9 are represented by their binary equivalents using 4 bits individually. For example, the decimal number 429 is expressed in BCD form. Each decimal number is represented by equivalent 4-bit binary number. So 9 is represented by 1004 and 2 is represented by 0010 and 4 is represented by 0100. So the lowest BCD digit is 0 and the highest BCD digit is 9. So this is the truth table for decimal digit and the BCD equivalent. So the 0 to 9 combinations are used for the BCD code. So in this BCD code, 10 to 15, the total 6 combinations are there. This 10 to 15 combinations are the invalid code. Gray code. It is an unweighted code and it is not an arithmetic code. That means for addition and subtraction we are not using. Gray code is a sequence of binary number system which is also known as reflected binary code. Then the main important property of this gray code is it exhibits only a single bit change from one code word to the next sequence. This property is important in many applications such as sharp position encoders and optical encoders. Gray code is also known as cyclic code or reflected binary code or reflected binary gray code. The gray code is most popular for the unit distance code, but it is not suitable for arithmetic operations. Gray code has some application in analog to digital converters as well as being used for error correction in digital communication. Gray code reflective property. Let's see how it works. Now we are it's a 4-bit combination, so we are making 16 combinations. Now we will start from at this point. Now it's binary 701111 and we are taking 1's complement of 7. 1's complement of 7 is 1000, that is 8. So if you are taking 1's complement of 7, that will give 8. And next if you are taking 1's complement of 6, that will give the answer of 9. Then if you take 1's complement of 5, then it will give the answer for 10. Then 1's complement of 4 will give the answer for 11. So this is called a reflective property, and also we are saying the mirror images. And here gray code is the main property is the subsequent bits are differ by single bits. That is this is binary 0, the next bit is 1. These two bits are differ by single bit. Similarly 1 and 2 are differ by single bit. Same way 3 and 4 is differ by single bit. Same way 3 and 4 is differ by single bit. So here the changing one bit to other bit is very easy. So the possibility of error occurrence is very less if you are using the gray code. This is the truth table for gray code to BCD. The BCD we can represent from 0 to 9 only. So total 10 combinations only we can make it in the truth table for the 4-bit. So the 4-bit gray code is represented as A, B, C, D, and the 4-bit B, C, D is represented as W, X, Y, and Z. Now the don't care combinations are 10 to 15. This is the sum of minterms expressions, got it from the truth table. This is the sum of output expression for logical output W, and now we are placing 1 to the corresponding cells, and these ones along with the don't care combinations we can make it into 8 cell grouping. So now the output at this point is A, so W is equal to A. And this is the sum of minterm expression for output X, and we are placing ones to the corresponding cells, and these ones are grouping into 4 cells. So the output at this point is A bar B. This is the sum of minterm expression for output Y. Now these two ones are grouping into 4 cells, and these ones are grouping into another 4 cells. So the logical expressions at this point is B, and the common between these 2 points is C bar. And the expression for this combination is the common between these two terms is B bar, and common between these two is C. This is the sum of minterm expression for sum of minterm expressions for output is Z. So now we are placing ones to the cells, and we are started grouping for this one. These two ones are grouping into one cell grouping, and these two ones are grouping into another one cell grouping, and this one is combined with this one. So 3 2-cell grouping is possible here. Now we are writing the expressions. The common between these two cells is B bar and C bar D. Then common between these two cells is B bar and C D bar. And now common between these two is B and C D. And from the logical expressions, we are drawing the logical diagram. This is the logical diagram for gray code to BCD code converter. Thank you.